So when you talk about preparing for those storms, what are some of those storms that you see that guys in the construction industry just are not prepared for?
The biggest storm, it really it's litigation. Um, Litigation is the biggest problem that we have in the construction industry, and it's not that you can avoid it. Really, it's just going to happen. You're going to run into a client that you can't make happy. It's just going to happen. There's going to be a job go bad, and it wasn't your fault. Somebody down the line did something wrong, and you get drug into it. Right? It's just a part of the construction life. And so what we have to do is be proactive, like you said, and be ready for that. And there's some tactics and strategies that you can do that I've seen firsthand. If you don't do them, what happens? And if you do them, what happens during the litigation?
Yeah, I completely agree with you when you talk about litigation and law. Like, it's going to happen. I remember the first time I was ever in court.